Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Not all can resonate, pero pwede nyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Minsan, mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon. Thank you so much, Libra. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect in your relationship. Okay. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Libra from the Message of Love Oracle? Libra. Okay. Habits. I don't know if we will ever change. Okay. Merong energy of that. Absence. I feel like a part of me is missing without you. Someone is missing you, Libra. Okay. Is this you or your person? There is also a question kung meron pa bang pagbabago or progress ang inyong relationship. Okay. Habits. Inseparable. Our love is always there despite the distance. Yung iba sa inyo, you are in a long distance relationship. Magkalayo kayo, okay, physically. But despite of that, naiisip nyo pa rin ang isa't isa. The love is always there. Okay, you feel that you are inseparable sa isa't isa. New chapter. I am trying to move on. For some, you are moving on with your life, okay? Is this you, Libra, or your person? Someone is looking forward for a new chapter of their life, of their lives. Libra from the Lover Oracle. Libra. Strong energies and messages for Libra, please. Libra. It hurts so much. Will this pain ever stop? Okay. Someone is hurting. I cannot take it anymore. Someone cannot take it anymore. Is this you, Libra, or your person? Kano man yung issues or problems sa inyong situation. Okay? I am afraid to lose you. Someone is afraid to lose you, Libra. Okay. Tingnan natin kung anong messages from the tarot. For Libra, please. Libra on love and romance. Libra. Okay. 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 Let's see. So, Libra, mahal ka ng person mo, okay? Parang naisip ka niya. Naglo-look forward siya to talk to you, to meet you, okay? Pero marami siyang iniisip. He or she has a plan for both of you, okay? Yeah. Maganda ang plans ng person ninyo sa inyo para sa future ninyong dalawa. He or she is looking forward. Okay? Something is good na nangyayari sa person ninyo. Most especially sa career, sa work niya, exciting things. Yeah. For some of you, you are dealing with a Leo or a fire sign. Okay? Very creative ang person ninyo, Libra. Yeah. Marami siyang mga ideas, okay? Mga plans. He or she is looking forward to meet you, to be with you. Yeah. Gusto niya magkaroon ng kaliwanagan sa inyong sitwasyon, sa nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? But you, on the other hand, you are living temporarily, okay, because you're looking for some emotional fulfillment or something na gusto ninyo, okay? You are going towards your dream, your ambition, your goals, and you are leaving something temporarily. Okay? May problema about sa communication. Okay? No exciting news or updates or information from either of you. Your person is waiting. Okay? Thinking, planning, good things happening to your person. He or she has a plan para sa sarili niya, sa career niya, sa trabaho niya, very creative. Okay, mahal ka ng person mo, but hindi niya na-express, and that is the problem. Okay, just take what resonates, Libra. This is either you or your person, okay? Yeah. Yeah, again, waiting. Okay. There is someone, it's either you or your person, Libra, that wants something more from you. But right now, there is a wall, okay? Parang wala rin siyang magawa or wala ka rin magawa for a moment because you are also determined and moving towards your goal or your dreams. Okay? Going something na makapagbigay sa inyo ng something meaningful. Okay? Libra. Let's see. Ano itong Queen of Swords? Clarify. Queen of Swords, please. Queen of Swords. Queen of Wands. So your person, yeah, definitely or mostly you are dealing with a fire sign, a Leo. Okay. Yes. Okay. Queen of Wands. Your person is thinking that there may be someone else in the relationship between you and your person. Parang merong distraction. Queen of Wands. Okay, another person involved. Yeah, your person is thinking that merong ibang tao or isang tao na that you're dealing with another person, Libra. Okay? Yeah, gusto niya express, gusto niyang sabihin, but guarded ang isip o yung puso ng inyong person. Okay? Gusto niya sabihin to sa inyo or i-open up. But then guarded siya. Okay? He or she doesn't want to express it to you about this person. Okay? Three of Wands. Two of Cups. Okay? Your person is looking forward na magkaroon kayo ng alignment emotionally. Okay? Same level of emotions, same level ng pagmamahal and attention. Kung ano yung binibigay niya sa inyo is dapat ganun ka din. Okay? Yeah, your person is looking forward to that. Gusto niya magkaintindihan kayo, iisa ang direksyon nyo, iisa yung plans, same level of emotions and attention. Okay? Mahal ka ng person mo, Libra. Six of Wands. Yeah. Okay. Your person is successful sa kanyang ginagawa, okay? He or she is very creative, okay? People are celebrating her. She's full of confidence, okay? May kakayahan sa buhay. Yeah. He or she is victorious sa kanyang ginagawa. Yeah. And also, gusto niya rin maging successful ang inyong relationship. Okay. Empress. But you, Libra, there is an Empress. Okay, you are leaving something behind because you are moving forward to your goals, to your dreams, abundance. Okay? The Empress. Yeah. Pregnant. Maybe you you have a lot of dreams in your mind, okay? Plans and all that you're about to show or to launch it, okay? Projects, something like that. Okay. Malaki ang ambisyon mo sa trabaho mo, sa career mo. Maybe you're also involved in creativity or in a creative industry, okay? Marketing, advertising. Yeah. Eight of Wands. You are too busy with yourself or sa iyong ginagawa. Okay, sa mga ganap mo, Libra. Okay. Page of Cups. Yeah. So the challenge is someone is expecting communication, a communication of love. Okay. From you, or it's the other way around. Okay, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Libra, just take what resonates. These are the energies. So the problem right now is communication, no excitement. Okay, no news, updates about sa inyong dalawa, about sa relationship nyo, about sa pakiramdam nyo sa isa't isa. Okay, so that is the challenge. Because someone is busy, someone is waiting while the other one is moving towards his or her goal. Okay. And the other person is waiting also. Waiting. There is wall. Yeah. Between you two. Tingnan natin kung ano itong the devil, please. Yeah, for some of you, there are people involved between sa relationship ninyong dalawa. There is the Empress. There is the Queen of Wands. Please clarify the devil. Why the devil? Okay. Yeah. There is some work to do when it comes to addiction, okay? Mga hindi magandang pattern or unhealthy pattern sa relationship ninyo. Okay? May kailangan i-work out. Is this you, Libra, or your person? Okay? Yeah. Okay. May kailangan i-break na unhealthy patterns sa'yo or sa person ninyo or overall sa relationship ninyo. Okay, merong addiction or obsession. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sexual behavior. strong physical attraction, which is sometimes uncontrollable. So, meron kailangang baguhin sa pattern na yan, Libra, okay? Yeah. Kung meron mang toxicity sa inyong relationship, kailangan i-work out. If you want to maintain or to maintain the relationship, there should be may action. Okay? May kailangan gawin, may kailangan i-fix sa unhealthy pattern within the relationship. Okay? 2 of Wands. Yeah. Someone is waiting for you. A water sign. Scorpio, King of Cups. He or she has a lot of love for you. He cares for you. Meron siya mga plans, but it seems merong restriction. Okay, there is wall. Hindi niya magawa kung anong gusto niyang gawin para ma-express ang kanyang nararamdaman. Okay, Libra. May kailangan i-work out or baguhin sa pattern ng inyong relationship, sa behavior kung meron toxicity, addiction, okay? Mga urges for a strong physical intimacy, okay? Strong physical attraction, that is problema sa inyong relasyon. Okay, this is for some of you. Just take what resonates for you, Libra, okay? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, that these are just the energy of the situation in your relationship, okay? So, tingnan natin. Yeah. Oops. Dami. Libra. Acceptance is the key to inner peace. At times, we must accept things as they are. There is no point trying to change that which is beyond our control. Okay. Sometimes things, yung mga things na nangyayari is hindi natin kontrolado. May mga nangyayari na ganyan na you just have to accept it para ma-preserve mo ang iyong peace of mind, okay? Freedom, there is nothing stopping you. The path is clear if you want it to be, okay? New beginning, a new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately, okay? So these are the messages for you, Libra. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!